Hello guys, this is Trace the Husky here, and we have a Miami-Dade engine 35. This is a E1 Typhoon, which they put a Cyclone grill on it for some reason. It's a really nice truck. I really like the color. Stay inside the cab. We got a compartment here for their bunker gear. Store it. Here's the other side. It's the back. Got extra air bottle storage here. Got a compartment here. Just a pump panel. Here's the other side, this side. Engine 35, we got Miami-Dade Fire Rescue. Here's the back. Really like the chevron pattern they chose. Here's the other side. And it's a Typhoon with a Cyclone grill on it. They got a side view camera right there. Here's their hose line right here where they would connect to a hydrant. It's called a bumper line. And then they got their cross lays. Other cross lays right here and right here. And then they could use that bumper line for a car fire or something like that. Straight to the Husky from FDIC. Please rate, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.